One mug, one summer fate. This is not juice, this is destiny. Split the fresh watermelon apart, separate the flesh from its fate. Put ripe mango into the mug, crush it thoroughly with relentless power. Relentless mash, pure flavor unleashed. Young's easy recipes never needs complicated condiments. No syrup, no additives, only pure natural goodness. Crush naturally, taste naturally. Add ice cubes to the mug, seal the coolness of summer. Pour in pure milk, blend smoothly with the mango puree. Only fruit, milk, and ice. Add fresh watermelon flesh into the mug. Crush again to release its natural sweetness. Summer coolness locked in one cup. No syrup, no additives, only pure natural goodness. No additives, no hidden ingredients. Cover the mug tightly. All flavors merge into one perfect summer drink. Refreshing, mellow, purely healthy. The perfect cool drink for hot summer days. Done and dusted. Simple, natural, dangerously refreshing. Can you handle this?